Words appear on a laptop screen, the most powerful productivity tool on the planet. Using your own words. A Copilot request appears. Prepare me for my upcoming meeting. Copilot generates a response listing 4 key meeting topics with a synopsis. A Copilot request appears. Draft a product announcement based on @Cafe.ai. A Word document is selected. Copilot generates a 4-paragraph announcement highlighting key features. A Copilot selection box pops up. A Keep button is selected. A Copilot request appears. Create a 10-slide presentation from the press release. Copilot generates a customized PowerPoint presentation for Cafe.ai. A Microsoft Excel spreadsheet analyzes data with Copilot. A Copilot request appears. Which products were the most profitable this quarter? Copilot analyzes the data and creates a spreadsheet with corresponding charts. A Copilot request appears. Draft a response with my approval but highlight key risks from a PowerPoint file called Project Gamma Risks. Copilot generates a draft email in Outlook, bullet pointing key risks. In Microsoft Teams, a Copilot notification appears. It looks like you joined the meeting late. No worries, we captured a summary for you. Open Copilot is selected. Copilot scans the transcript and generates a list of missed topics and action items. A Copilot request appears. Which products were the most profitable this quarter? Create a budget proposal for a research project. Create a timeline for a product launch. Create an agenda for a customer. Screen fills with Copilot requests. An animation of a laptop on a desk. Microsoft.